से अच्छा, हिंदुस्तान हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा।
No caste can divide us, no laws can separate us, no colors or creed can decide our future, because we are the children of one mother. A very hearty good morning to all of you, and a very happy Independence Day to you and to your family. Today we all are here to acknowledge our privilege of being born in a free India and celebrate the 75th Independence Day of our country. We need to ask those born before 1947 to know the pangs of anguish of being enslaved under a colonial rule. For every Indian in those days, it was indeed a Herculean task to fight against those powerful giants, that is, the British rule. Those difficult times and struggles must not be allowed to fade away from our memories. Hence, every Independence Day, we not only celebrate our freedom, but we also pay tribute to the ones who fought for it, to the ones who held a vision for our country, and to the ones who sacrificed themselves for the same. The idea of being an independent nation where sovereign powers lies with us to determine our future places a huge responsibility on our shoulders. The significance of its beautiful story is that this nation has gained respect from the world for the democratic route chosen by it. We can proudly say that India has never invaded any country in its 10,000 years of history. On this occasion, our thoughts turn first to Mahatma Gandhi, the man behind our struggle for the freedom, and the martyrs who struggled for freedom, and the martyrs who made the supreme sacrifice for our country's liberty. We are also reminded of the relentless struggle of our great patriots who liberated our motherland from colonial rule. Gandhiji was seeking liberty from both foreign rule and the indigenous social chains that had long incarcerated our society. Every other Indian was guided on a path of self-belief and hope for a better future. Democracy gives us the right to live freely as proud citizens of our country. Today we are fortunate to live in one due to the vision and sacrifice of our freedom fighters. There is a big celebration each year in Delhi at Rajpath, where the national anthem is sung after the Prime Minister hoists the flag. Also, a salute is given to the national flag by firing 21 guns with the national anthem, and flowers are also showered from the chopper. All the forces take part in the parades. In the end, we cannot merely say that 15th August is solely about freedom. This day is a plethora of emotions. It reminds us of the pain of being enslaved, of the strength in unity. It defines sacrifice. It gives us an example that some wars can be won with non-violence, and all the things it makes us value and cherish the freedom we have today. It is our responsibility as proud citizens of this country to sincerely perform our duty and progress together for the growth and development of our country. Keeping the sacrifice of our ancestors in mind, we should take an oath to carve a better future for our motherland. So I am ending my speech here by saying few lines in Hindi. आन देश की शान देश की हम संतान हैं। आन देश की शान देश की हम संतान हैं। तीन रंगों से रंगा तिरंगा, तीन रंगों से रंगा तिरंगा, अपनी ये पहचान है। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
आजादी को चली बहाने दीवानों की टोलियां, आजादी को चली बहाने दीवानों की टोलियां, खून से अपने लिख देंगे हम इंकलाब की बोलियां, हम वापस लौटेंगे लेकर आजादी का टोला। मेरा रंग दे, ओ मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला, मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला।
Download more Download Moj.